Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into usafreedom.com, a site that at first glance looks like a fashionista's dream. It offers everything from outerwear to seasonal dresses, positioning itself as a one-stop shop for themed fashion and statement outfits. It sounds incredibly convenient, but the real question is whether this is a legitimate business or just a digital trap waiting for your credit card. Let's look under the hood and see what's actually going on. First, we checked the domain history, and things got weird immediately. According to the records, the website was registered in October 2025. Apparently, these guys are operating from the future, which would explain how they're selling clothes before the site even technically exists. While being new isn't a crime, having zero reputation and a registration date that defies the space-time continuum makes it a bit hard to hand over your hard-earned money. Next, we took a look at those stylish product images. They look great, but a quick reverse image search reveals that these same photos are living rent-free on dozens of other websites. It seems the only thing original about this store is how many different places they can steal their marketing materials from. If a store can't even bother to take a photo of their own inventory, you have to wonder if that inventory even exists outside of a Photoshop file. The red flags keep waving when we look at the customer support details. They provide an email and a physical address, which seems professional until you realize the address was shamelessly copied from another website. It's a bold move to claim your headquarters is located in a place that's already being used by someone else. Furthermore, there is absolutely no transparency regarding who is actually running this show. No names, no faces, and no background story. It's basically a ghost ship with a checkout button. Finally, let's talk about the social proof. There are no real customer reviews to be found anywhere, but the site does have those annoying pop-ups claiming someone just made a purchase every few seconds. It's about as subtle as a car alarm and feels completely forced. We checked Trustpilot and Reddit, and the silence is deafening. When you combine a futuristic registration date with stolen images and a fake address, you get a recipe for a disaster. We strongly recommend staying far away from usafreedom.com. Thanks for watching, and if you want to keep your wallet safe from these digital phantoms, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.